You complete the math and fill in through number 4. Come to me with a weighing dish, weighing tray. I give you some copper II chloride. You go back and tear out a different weighing dish. We're going to hit T, make sure it says 0, and take your copper II chloride, put it in, get about 2 grams. It doesn't matter if it's exactly 2. It can be close, just be honest, and put the correct number in number 5. Fill out the math, verify it with me through number 9. Come back with a different weighing dish, not this one. Put that in the copper II chloride pile over on the with the rest of the equipment. Get a different 2 dishes. Come to me. You'll get some sodium hydroxide. Go back to your scale. Tear this one out. Take your sodium hydroxide, put it in, and get what you think you should use. Looking at number 9 and 10, write the number down in number 11, and then you're going to take 250 milliliter beaker, take your copper II chloride, put it all in there, and use a spoon or a wooden splint to get it all out if needed. And then you're going to take your sodium hydroxide and put about half of it in there, and get some DI water and put it in there. Now the trouble with this is that it makes sort of a blue goo. So you're going to need to get some decent amount of water, but not way up here. I'm talking about probably down there. Then it says in number 13 and 14, basically add more sodium hydroxide until the color stops changing, or the intensity of the color. Some of you may have to use all of it. We know the reaction is over when it stops changing color. Then we're going to go put it in the microwave while somebody else gets a piece of filter paper and writes your name on the edge. This is where it's done properly. 1 and name, because you're going to cover over the middle. Don't put it on the middle, otherwise you will cover it over. Then you can fold it like this, which lets you make a cone, like this, and you can put it in a funnel, like that. When your solid, which should now be brown out of the microwave, is ready, wait for it to cool down a bit and start pouring it through here. You may have to go and wash out the beaker some more. You may have to rinse it around and then pour it more into the filter paper. If you're filling up your filter paper and it's dripping real slow, you're going to want to take it out, lay it somewhere safe, obviously solid side up, and get your second one, do the same thing, and get the rest of the solid out. And then we can lay them aside to dry overnight.